Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can protect your photos with a password in the Photos app without installing any additional apps. Okay, so this is a very simple step, a new feature that was added in iOS 16, and it's actually super easy to do. Basically you won't need to do anything, or if anything it's just changing one setting, but that's basically it. So yeah, I don't want to waste any more of your time, so without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so as you will see, this is a very simple process. However, first of all, there's a couple of settings we need to check. So firstly, you need to go into settings and just check that you are on iOS 16.0 or later. Then, also in settings, go to the main page and scroll all the way down to Photos, and then scroll down and see this option, Use Face ID. Make sure this is turned on. What this will do is protect your hidden photos album and the frequently deleted with Face ID, which is of course what we want. So then, once we have that, we'll go into Photos, and we have here of course all our photos. Then we'll go into the photo we want to hide. I'll choose this one for example, which has a very important message for all of you, and say, tap on these three dots and say hide. So this is very important because this changed from iOS 15, so the hide feature was there before, however it wasn't protected with Face ID, and it was here in the share sheet. Now it's on these three dots on the top. You say hide, it will tell you that it will be hidden, and that's what we want. And now it's hidden. So as you can see, now it cannot be visible here or here. So if we go, just jumped ahead. If we go to the recents, it's not visible here either, or in any of the albums you may have had it. So now you need to go down, and as you can see, both in the hidden and frequently deleted folders, there is a small lock icon. And that's of course because it's locked. And if we go here, we'll need to use Face ID to authenticate. And here it is, the photo we just hid, and another one. But yeah, if you want to unhide any of the pictures, what you would do of course is click on the three buttons and say unhide. And now it's unhidden, and now it's back to the regular folder, so to say. Lastly, it is also possible to hide multiple photos at once. So if you select multiple photos, and if you go to the three dots, which are now down here for some reason, you can also say hide, and you will hide the 5 photos at once. But yeah, as you saw, very simple. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, it's super simple to do. Yeah, in most cases you won't even have to change anything, but yeah, it can be very helpful. This hidden feature, hidden photos feature or folder has been like a thing for a long time, but Apple hasn't allowed it to be protected with a password or Face ID in this case until now. So yeah, that's very good, and yeah, I'm glad it was done. As I said, it's also available for the deleted pictures, which is actually yeah, that's the smart thing to do, because if you deleted it, you probably don't want people to see it. But yeah, so this is gonna be it for this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, please thumbs up, and if you like Apple content in general, subscribe, because now we're in Apple release season, and we'll have new videos on the new Apple Watch, the new AirPods, so yeah, subscribe. If you have any questions about all of this, please leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. However, do take the couple considerations that I mentioned in the video, that you need to be updated to iOS 16, and also check the setting that I showed you, just in case. But yeah, that's gonna be it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.